That was Lullaby by Bangambula Vindu, a selection from the ABRSM Grade 5 syllabus. It's a wonderful piece to introduce students to two-part counterpoint, the challenges of the different phrases interweaving and having different articulations at the same time, I find to be important. You'll notice it started with a phrase in the left hand that keeps repeating. We call that an ostinato. There's another attribute of that I'd like to point out to you. The melody sounds like this. And you heard that repeating over and over. Notice if I count the beats, how many beats are in this melody before it starts over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. If I keep that pulse going, it starts over after the 7th beat. The piece is written in 2/4, however. Sometimes composers will write a piece a certain way to make it look visually like it makes more sense, but that doesn't necessarily tell you where the emphasized beats are in this melody. And in fact, I would count it like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then it starts over. So I divided the 7 in 2 groups of 2 and 1 group of 3. So in 2/4, obviously that's shifting because 7 doesn't fit into any number of 2/4 bars. You'll see the phrase start on different beats, but it is the same phrase. And in fact, this ostinato phrase is heard throughout with one short exception in the middle when the left hand does something different. We can call this piece a passacaglia. It has not just a bass line that continues, but an entire melody that keeps repeating in the bass. Another example that I can show you where this kind of notation is also at work is the Aegean Dance by Ilhan Baran. This is not the same level. I would say it's grade 2. There are certain challenges. You have to move around and find some lower octaves and so forth. But it's also written in the familiar 2/4 and 3/4 time signatures, but they're grouped in a very specific way. Listen to the first phrase. And then it also starts over. So if I count the beats, I have 3 measures of 2/4 and 1 measure of 3/4. That adds up to 9, but not 9 as 3 divided by 3, but 9 as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. So essentially the piece has 5 phrases of 9 beats. Here's the whole thing.